Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the keyboard app is available and selected. Make sure the device is unlocked and you know your preferred layout. Tap any text field to call the keyboard, messaging, notes, or the browser address bar works. Once the keyboard appears, glance at the bottom row. There's a globe, comma, and space keys. If you need another input, long press the globe to switch languages or open the settings gear to change layouts and enable options you'll use repeatedly. Now customize behavior so typing is faster and less error-prone. From the keyboard, tap the settings gear or long press comma to open options. Enable autocorrect, predictive suggestions, and the numeric row if you type numbers often. Use swipe typing to trace words without lifting your finger. It speeds things up, but monitor suggestions so errors don't slip through. Try voice input for long messages, and switch layouts for one-handed or split mode when you're holding the phone. These choices change how you flow through text. Finish by adopting productivity habits. Create text shortcuts for frequent phrases, pin items in the clipboard, and toggle languages with the globe for bilingual typing. Make sure to back up any custom dictionary if your keyboard supports it. If the keyboard lags or freezes, clear the keyboard app cache or force stop and reopen it. If that fails, reinstall the app. If problems persist, test typing in a different app to determine whether it's the keyboard or the target app causing the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.